You ever get that random text from your ex? Yung tipong, hey, how are you? And you're like, wait lang, ghost ka ba? O glitch? Like, besh, you disappear faster than my motivation on Monday. Now you're back? For what? Season 2? Then they go, I miss you. Oh, cute. Pero alam mo kung anong mas cute? Boundaries. Let's be honest, most exes don't miss you. They don't miss you actually. They just miss the benefits of having you. Yung may nag-aalaga, may taga-pakinig, may taga-good morning. So, basically, they miss customer service, not commitment. Tandaan nyo yan. And when you don't reply agad, sasabihin niya, they hit you with, wow, nagbago ka na. Well, yes, that's called healing. I evolved not for you, but from you. Dapat ganun, ha? Then, yung iba may magtatangkang mag-sorry. Tapos sasabihin, can we start over? Start over? Saan? Netflix account? We're not replaying heartbreak. This is hindi naman teleserye yan eh. So real talk, when an ex come back, it's not always love. Sometimes it's curiosity or worse, boredom. Gusto lang nilang i-try kung gaano kakarupok at katanga. So the next time they text, I miss you, just reply, yeah, same, I miss the old me who used to fall for your nonsense. Savage, diba? Or better yet, send thumbs up. Because silence is the most revenge comeback. Remember this, you're not better, you're better. And sometimes not replying is the most powerful I'm done you'll ever said. Remember that.